This is a video tour of 12126 West Seven Lakes Lane in Star, Idaho. I am in my car down the street from the house. You can see the house just down the street on the left. I wanted to show you the outside area just driving around this neighborhood because you can actually see all sides of the house since there are no other houses under construction right around it. So you got some empty lots. Anyway, I'm looking towards a pond, a big pond that you can't actually see from this angle. Let me try to just turn back there so you should be able to see some of it. It's quite large. And then you'll see other houses that border the pond. So I'm just going to drive around the house. There's the front. Looks like they just laid some sod, but needs to be watered a lot. Now we're on the east side of the property, and they have a beautiful water feature here. Sorry, we're facing into the sun here, but if you can look past the glare, you can see the pond. It borders the back of this house, and I'm going to drive down the street more and then look back at the house so that you can see. There's the house. So as I turn this corner, you should be able to look over this vacant lot, and then you can't see it, but the pond is there. And then what you're looking at right now is the back yard in the back of that house. So they still have a good 3 or 4 maybe lots to build on right around here. But most of the rest of the subdivision is built. So I'm going to turn around now, and I'm going to go back the other way. Try to show you some of the other houses. So we're still pointing to the one house. Okay, now I'm past it, and I'm going to have to turn around. You can see there's a house under construction right here. I'm just turning into the driveway of a completed home. Sorry for the jerkiness. Hard to do this with one hand. And you can see here's a couple of other lots and then some houses. So I'm driving back the way I came. Now to my right is the Seven Lakes Lane home. But let me show you some of the other houses. You can see right here that there's kind of a beach area where the lake is, where they have some sand. Then they have some large rocks that form a retaining wall and our boundary on the back lawn. So we'll go and look at that much closer when we get into the house. These are neighbors across the street. And we're back to the front of the home. And I'm just going to pull over and park, and then I will start looking more towards the inside of the house.